And as I told you, Abuller Ahmed is actually at the Thika Municipal Stadium, where he will be bringing us the latest, especially from the match that is the first Kenya Premier League match of the afternoon, pitting defending champions Tusker FC and of course 2009 champions Sofapaka. Abuller Ahmed, a very good afternoon. Tell us, has the game kicked off in Thika?
Yes, indeed, Lynn Washira. You are coming live to you live from Thika Municipal Stadium, where round 4 of the Kenya Premier League is taking place here. And remember, there are two matches taking place here at Thika. And the first match, which has already started, is defending champions Tusker FC against Sofapaka, who won the league back in 2009. It's a game that has already started, and about like 30 minutes right now, with the two teams having scored a goal each. Remember, Wanoko started scoring for Sofapaka in the 30th second of the match, and then just a few minutes ago, like the 22nd minute of the match, Tusker managed to equalize. It's 1-1 here. Remember, the defending champions Tusker haven't had a good start this season after losing two first matches of the season, and now they are looking for their second win after they defeated Chemelil Sugar last weekend, getting their first 3 points. They now lie 16th on the Kenya Premier League table, and on the other hand, Sofapaka have had a contrasting season. They've won 2 matches right now with 6 points. If they get a draw or they win, it will be an added advantage for them, who are now lying 5th on the Kenya Premier League table. It's a very important match for both teams. Remember, Tusker, the defending champions, haven't started good, but they want to win the match so that maybe they go head-to-head with the likes of Gor Mahia and also AFC Leopards as far as chasing the league title is concerned this season. It's a tough match for both teams. About 30 minutes going right now, and joining me right now is a ardent fan of Sofapaka, known as Rama. Welcome, Rama, to Scoreline.
Yeah, thank you.
And how do you see the match today?
Match today is too tough. When you see the first chance we get on the first opening match and we score it, and before now, I think it's at 4 minutes or what, now Tusker equalize. You see the game is still tight, open. No one shall see you are winning or you are losing.
They're the defending champions. Not going to be an easy affair to you. But looking at the past matches that you played, you've already won 2 matches. You won your last weekend match against Sofapaka 2-1. You also defeated Western Steamer. It's sort of a good season for Sofapaka.
Surely it's a good season for Sofapaka after we win 2 matches, and this match is too important to us and all fans and technical bench and our coach. We want to win this match because even you see our president already arrived in the pitch, so we want to win this match.
If you compare last season, how you played last season, you are hovering around the relegation zone this season. So what has changed this season? What has made you be good?
Particularly in this season, we see a good time because we have a good player. It's not like last season we started with the junior and kids. You see where we go, we left on first leg. We win only 2 matches and 1 draw. All of matches we go lose. So we see this season will be good and tough, and we're wishing to be champion for this year.
What can you say about the atmosphere? I saw you leading your team, the fans here cheering Sofapaka. What sort of atmosphere is here?
For me, morale is too up and feeling like I can cry. So you see me when I'm chanting with my boys there, we want to win. The only thing we are here, we want to win, to be our team and to stand on the table number 1.
As fans, now that you have a sponsor as Sofapaka, something that you didn't have last season and maybe in the past 2 seasons, where do you see Sofapaka finishing this season?
This season, we are finishing on the first on the table because we have sponsor and our president. You see, we have a president already in the team, so we not have problem. Last season, we don't have a president who was not in the town around in Kenya. We are no sponsor, but now this season, God with us.
Sure. All the best, Rama.
Thank you.
Yes, Lynn, there you have it. Is Rama, who is an added fan of Sofapaka. They've come here in large numbers to cheer up their team and see maybe if they can get 3 important points and move up the KPL table. Remember, last season wasn't that good for Sofapaka, finishing 14th in the Kenya Premier League. But now they are lying 5th on the Kenya Premier League table. And let's wait and see. Maybe it's a good year for them and a good season for Sofapaka. Back to you, Lynn Wachira.
Abula, before I let you go, let's talk about the state of the Thika Municipal Stadium pitch. We know that the Nyayo National Stadium and the Kasarani Stadium are under renovations, and most of the games have been played out of Nairobi. How is the state of the Thika Municipal Stadium? The pitch, that is.
Well, Lynn, yes, Lynn, if you talk about the state of the Thika Municipal Stadium, you can't compare it to the likes of Nyayo Stadium and also Kasarani, because it's a small stadium and the surface also is not that good. We came here and it's hard for the two teams to put the ball on the surface. You know, Sofapaka and also Tusker FC, they like playing the tiki-taka sort of game, and it's quite hard for them since it has been raining for the past 2-3 days in Nairobi and also here in Thika. So the surface isn't that good for the two teams, but they are trying and playing a good football here.
Thank you very much. That was Abuller Ahmed speaking to us from the Thika Municipal Stadium, where two Kenya Premier League matches will be played this afternoon. Currently, the defending Kenya Premier League champions Tusker FC are taking on 2009 KPL champions Sofapaka, and the scoreline is 1-1. We